Okay guys, so I quickly want to show you guys results that you'll be getting from this course. So I'm just going to log into my Clickbank account and show you a particular product that I was promoting while creating this course, and I promoted it for 10 days. When I saw that it was successful, I moved it to another of my Clickbank account. So before I jump right in, so I'm going to type in today's date so you guys see that this is live. This is not some forgery. So you can see it's actually the last day of 2020. So I started promoting the products 10 days ago, which was on the 21st. So I'm going to log into my Clickbank, this particular Clickbank account. I have several. So it's loading. Okay, so this is my Clickbank dashboard, and as you can see, this is a fresh week. This is January 2021 today. I'm sorry, this particular week, and I already made, today is actually the 31st, which is part of the January 31 week. I already made $192. So today, which is on the 31st, I am actually here to make a sale. But if you check from Monday the 21st all the way to Wednesday, which was yesterday, today is actually Thursday, as you can see right here. So which is actually yesterday. I made 192 yesterday. So this is the beginning of a new week for on Clickbank. So you can see the sales, guys. $77, 102, 71, 155. On the 25th, which is actually Christmas Day, I made 376. And then I beat that record on Tuesday the 29th. I made 396. So if you count from Monday the 21st to Wednesday the 30th, that's actually 30 days, and I made about $1,900 in 10 days. So you can see that this is real, guys. This is the exact way. If I go to the affiliate tab, you see that I've sold 47 of this particular product, and the total amount is $4,000 to $4,372. So just so you know that this is actually my account, I'm just going to go to account settings and then show you my name there, so you know that this account actually belongs to Joseph Abokai, because right now my face is not showing on the screen. So you can see, I'm going to blur out the addresses. You can see payee name Joseph Abokai. So this is actually my account. I'm going to go to the dashboard and refresh, so you see the results once again. So these are the results. So make sure you do pick up this product, this course. You're actually going to get a lot of money promoting Clickbank products using all of the strategies that I share in this course.